Find or read reviews that people are talking about KOPUO portable car battery jump starter, 5000 amp. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful car starting power. One single full charge, up to 70 starts. KOPUO portable jump starter has 5000 amp peak current. Powerful portable car battery jump starter pack can start all 9-liter gasoline engines and 8-liter diesel engines, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, ATVs and boats and more. LED flashlight and USB port. The starter LED work light has 3 modes: flashlight, strobe light and SOS light. In an emergency, this car jumper battery pack is a reassuring lifesaver in the dark when camping, hiking or adventurous travel. The battery jump starter adopts dual USB output design. Fast charging USB port charges your devices faster and is compatible with almost all USB charging devices. Advanced Smart Clip Safety Technology. The starter Smart Jumper Clip adopts advanced safety technology, which is fully insulated and safe enough, including anti-spark protection, prevent overcharging, overload protection, overvoltage protection, which can protect you from fault problems such as short circuit or spark. And the multi-layer certification system provides 10 intelligent anti-misuse protection modes, ensuring that anyone can use it safely. Make sure to properly connect the positive and negative poles of the clamp to the positive and negative poles of the car battery. Deal with various emergencies. The unique design of the product compass hidden allows you to not carry a bulky compass outdoors. In any case, you only need to pick up our product, so that you will not be trapped and in danger beyond the time you need. The portable car battery starter can start the vehicle in seconds and can charge most vehicles more than 70 times after being fully charged. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.